Afternoon all, Dr. Dan from Valley Rising Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about why so many people that drive heavy vehicle experience low back pain. So who are we talking about in particular? A lot of truck drivers, guys that work in the mines driving heavy vehicle like dump trucks. Also guys that are in excavators, maybe driving cranes or forklifts. Okay? The important thing to remember is that human beings invented chairs. We weren't ever supposed to sit on chairs. When we sit on a chair, driving a heavy vehicle in particular, the legs come out of the equation. So we're supposed to, the legs take up shock absorption that's dispersed through the spine. You take those out of the equation, all that force is distributed through the lumbar spine and in particular the L5-S1 disc. Okay, that's the last guy in the chain, so he's going to experience the most force and the most trauma. If you're sitting there for extended periods of time, the vertebrae is more likely to subluxate, so that's what we look for as chiropractors. The bone that has moved out of position or stopped moving effectively within the spine, putting pressure on the nervous system. So this guy subluxates because it's not moving properly. The disc, which is like a sponge, when it moves, it takes in water and it expels water, and that's actually how it gets its nutrition. That all stops and the disc starts to dry out. So you can get little cracks, fissures in the disc that will inflame constantly, and you can get the pressure on the nerve. These two nerves and two in the sacrum make up that sciatic nerve. So depending on the amount of pressure, some people experience referral pain down the leg, which most of us term sciatica. What we do as chiropractors, we identify the subluxated vertebra. Often there's a twist in the pelvis as well. Correct those, alleviating pressure on both the disc and the nerve, allowing that disc to move again normally, get its proper nutrition and rehydrate somewhat. Obviously, you can't go and quit your job, you've still got bills to pay, so the lumbar vertebra sustains trauma ongoingly. So often we recommend regular checkup and adjustment where necessary to make sure this guy stays healthy throughout your career, so that you don't be one of these people that retires and you can't enjoy your life because this has been allowed to degenerate so severely. If it's left unchecked and it continues to degenerate, these guys can fuse up. You can also get such severe pressure on the nerve that you start to lose power in your legs. Okay, so that's why we often recommend anyone that's doing a job with a sustained posture, even like plumbers and electricians that are under houses all the time, get your spine checked so that you don't end up with a situation where some of the degeneration and trauma that's been caused to the spine is permanent. Excellent, we're going to leave it at that for that video. Again, if you know anyone that could use our help, tag them in the comments section, like and share the video. Go to our website valleyrising.com if you'd like to see what we're all about. We've also got a YouTube channel which I'll post a link to, and have a great weekend. Cheers.